We all have these pump bottles around our house, and one thing I've found is that in every case they're made to dispense way more than I want. So what I was trying to do is figure out a way to limit the amount of stuff coming out of here, and what I found was I made something like this that snaps around here, and it limits the distance you can push down on the pump, and you save a lot of money. And it's very simple to make. I just get some of this gray tubing, and this was used for the drain on an air conditioner. So it's just some like little thin-walled plastic tubing. You cut the length you want for the pump that you're using, because you can see they're all different sizes. And then you take a pair of old scissors and you just cut through there, and that's it. And then you snap it around the bottle, and you save a lot. I found that this size is about the best. This is 17 millimeters long, which is about 3/4 of an inch, and you have to cut them pretty accurately. Too long and they don't pump, and too short and it doesn't really help. But that's it. Another money-saving idea.